Organization in a manufacturing facility. Can you imagine what it would be like if a pharmaceutical facility had no separate departments, no written instructions or records, or no clear policy on who was responsible for what? The result would be chaos and a huge risk of mistakes and errors. To prevent such a scenario and to ensure all products are of the required quality, all activities in a pharmaceutical facility must be organized and properly controlled. To comply with GMP, every pharmaceutical company must have an organization chart. This chart shows the different company departments and identifies key personnel with responsibility for ensuring the facility is GMP compliant at all times. The specific responsibilities of these key personnel must be recorded in written job descriptions. Let's take an imaginary company called Medigen, which manufactures finished dose products. The organization chart for Medigen's facility shows the following departments and key personnel: production, quality, engineering and maintenance, warehousing and logistics, finance and administration, human resources, information systems. Of course, all companies are different, and the names given to these departments may vary from one company to another. For example, the production department in one company may be called the manufacturing department in another company. Also, smaller companies may merge the functions of two departments into one. The important point to note is that different departments have different responsibilities, and each company decides on the number, names, and functions of its departments.